Good morning students, welcome back to learning classes of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Today I am going to teach you Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of its remaining two sides. In Pythagoras theorem, first we take a right triangle. In right triangle, one angle is 90 degree always. So draw a right triangle. ABC. Let a triangle ABC in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. Is it clear? So just we know in a right triangle the square of the hypotenuse. In right triangle hypotenuse तो always 90 डिग्री के जो सामने वाले साइड होते हैं 90 डिग्री सामने हेयर ए सी बी डिनोट बाय स्मॉल सी. Is it clear? Also denote by a small a or this side a small b. So let a triangle ABC in which angle V is equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem we write here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We can write this type also. A small c square is equal to a square plus b square. We write this type by Pythagoras theorem. Is it clear? Also you remember hypotenuse is called longest side. Hypotenuse is called longest side. हाइपोटेनस पहचानने का तरीका आप लोग जान गए हैं कि 90 डिग्री के सामने हेयर AC, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड हाइपोटेनस और हाइपोटेनस is the longest side in a right triangle. Is it clear? Now let us discuss converse of Pythagoras theorem. What is converse of Pythagoras theorem? If the square of one side of a triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, then the triangle is right angled. In converse of Pythagoras theorem, we take a triangle. Here triangle we take ABC. ABC. Let a triangle ABC. By converse of Pythagoras theorem, if the square of one side of a triangle, here total side 3, we take one side here BC. The square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Means here remaining side AB and AC. Means AB square plus AC square. Any triangle condition follow BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. We can say triangle ABC is a right triangle. This concept is called converse of Pythagoras theorem. Is it clear? Now let us discuss Pythagorean triplet. So what is Pythagorean triplet? The three positive integers a, b, c in the very same order are said to form a Pythagorean triplet if c square is equal to a square plus b square. So first of all we take a right triangle here. A, B, C. At C we take 90 degree. C, A, B. तो by Pythagorean triplet, three positive integers here take a, b, c in the very same order are said to be form a Pythagorean triplet if c square is equal to a square plus b square. Follow this condition to make here a, b, c Pythagorean triplet. If c square is equal to a square plus b square in a right triangle ABC, so then form ABC is a Pythagorean triplet. For example, here take the triplet 3, 4, 5. The 3, 4, 5. Here longest side is called hypotenuse. So put the value in a place of hypotenuse means c square. There 5 का square 25, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 9 plus 16 25 is equal to 25. So this is Pythagorean triplet, and 3, 4 and 5 fulfill the condition of 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. Next Pythagorean triplet here 5, 12, 13. Follow condition. 13 is larger. The 13 is hypotenuse, means here 13 square is equal to 5 square plus 12 square. 13 square means 169, 25 plus 144. 169 is equal to 169. So here fulfill the condition. C square is equal to a square plus b square. So we take here Pythagorean triplet 5, 12, 13. Next Pythagorean triplet 7, 24, 25. This condition follow. 25 square is equal to 7 square plus 24 of a square. Next Pythagorean triplet here 8, 15, 17. Next Pythagorean triplet 12, 35, 37. You find this concept c square is equal to a square plus b square many triplets. What here? Write triplets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You find more than 5 triplets to use the c square is equal to a square plus b square. Is it clear? Now here also here side a and b be called legs of right triangle. Means here except hypotenuse remaining two sides we called legs of right triangle. Is it clear? Now later discuss some questions to related Pythagoras theorem. So let us start question number 1. In question number 1, the hypotenuse of a right triangle is 26 cm long. If one of the remaining two sides is 10 cm long, find the length of the other side. So first we draw a right triangle. A right triangle we draw ABC, in which angle V is equal to 90 degree. तो हाइपोटेनस कौन होगा? 90 डिग्री के सामने. तो 90 डिग्री के सामने साइड कौन सा? AC. तो द हाइपोटेनस ऑफ राइट ट्रायंगल इज 26 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग. तो गिवन AC is equal to 26 centimeter. If one of the remaining two sides, here remaining side AB and BC, so we take either BC or AB 10 centimeter. Find the length of other side, means here find the value of AB. So in right triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. Here AC is equal to 26 square. AB find out. BC here given 10 square. A square of 26, 676 is equal to AB square plus a square of 10, 100. So therefore AB square is equal to 676 minus 100 is equal to 576. Therefore AB is equal to a square, convert here a square root, 576 is equal to 24 centimeter. So hence the other side is equal to 24 centimeter. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 2. In question number 2, the two legs of a right triangle are equal and the square of its hypotenuse is 50. Find the length of each leg. The first of all, we draw right triangle. Name A, B, C. Legs of right triangle we called other than hypotenuse, means hypotenuse को छोड़ के जो दोनों साइड है उसको बोलते हैं legs of right triangle. The two legs of a right triangle are equal, means AB is equal to x, also BC is equal to x. और हाइपोटेनस पहचानने का रूल जानते ही हैं, 90 के सामने वाला साइड ऑलवेज कॉल्ड हाइपोटेनस और दिस साइड इज लॉन्गेस्ट and the square of its hypotenuse is 50 centimeter. Not here given length of hypotenuse. A square of its hypotenuse means given AC square is equal to 50. Is it clear? Find the length of each leg, means find the value of x. So in triangle, in right triangle ABC at angle B is equal to 90 degree. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. Here AC is equal to a square of AC given 50, write 50. Here AB is equal to x, a square of x. BC is equal to x, the square of x. 50 is equal to x square plus x square, 2x square. Therefore 50, 2 here the divided 2 is equal to x square. We write simply x square is equal to 25. 25 is equal to x square. So we say x square is equal to 25. So therefore x is equal to a square here, a square root. 25 is equal to 5. So hence the length of each leg is equal to 5. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 3. In question number 3, a 15-meter long ladder is placed against a wall to reach a window 12 meter high. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. The here figure also given. This type figure given. Find the length of x here, means in language the distance of the foot of the ladder here, point A, from the wall, here point C, means find the length of AC. In other language we find the value of x, or this type symbol denoted 90 degree. So here 90 degree at point C, opposite sides here AB. So here ladder as a side of hypotenuse. So here in right triangle ACB, AB square means hypotenuse square is equal to legs of right triangle means AC or BC means a square of AC square plus a square of BC. Here AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square we write by Pythagoras theorem. Is it clear? Here AB is equal to 15, the square of 15, AC is equal to x, the square of x, plus BC is equal to 12, a square of 12, a square of 15, 225 is equal to x square, a square of 12, 144. The x square is equal to 225 minus 144 is equal to 5 minus 4, 1, 12 minus 4, 8, or 1 minus 1, 0. So here we find x square is equal to 81. The x is equal to a square root 81 is equal to 9 meter. So hence the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall is equal to 9 meter. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 4. In question number 4, find the length of diagonal of the rectangle whose sides are 16 cm and 12 cm. First of all, we draw a rectangle. Also, we draw diagonal here. A, B, C, D. Find the length of diagonal means here find the value of AC and BD whose sides are 16 cm and 12 cm. Length 16 cm, 12 cm. So here use the properties of rectangle. So we know that opposite sides are equal. This is 16, also this 16. BC 12, so AD also 12 because opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Also we know that each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree means angle A, angle B and angle C and angle D is equal to 90 degree. So here take in right triangle ADC, this triangle ADC, here angle D 90 degree, the hypotenuse here AC, we write AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square, we write by Pythagoras theorem. Here AC not given. AD is equal to 12, the square of 12. CD is equal to 16, a square of 16. The AC square is equal to a square of 12, 144. A square of 16, 256. AC square is equal to 144 plus 256. Be added both 6 plus 4 10 carry 1, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 5 10 carry 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. The AC is equal to under root 400 is equal to 20 centimeter. AC here find out, here BD. That we take other right triangle. In right triangle BCD, BCD, BCD. Here angle C is 90 degree, the hypotenuse here BD. The BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. BD square is equal to BC, here 12, square of 12, CD is equal to 16, the square of 16. BD is equal to under root 12 square 144, 16 square 256. We get a square root 400 is equal to 20 centimeter. Here look carefully, AC is equal to 20, BD is equal to also 20. So you know property of rectangle, always remember opposite sides are equal, each angle is 90 degree and diagonals are equal. Here proof भी also AC is equal to 20, so also here BD is equal to 20. So we here find the length of diagonal of the rectangle. So hence the length of the diagonal is equal to 20 centimeter. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 5. In question number 5, find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter and the diagonal is 41 centimeter. So first of all, we draw a rectangle. A, B, C, D. Here diagonal BD and AC. Properties of rectangles, you remember, opposite sides are equal, each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree, and also you remember diagonals are equal. In this question given length is 40 centimeter and diagonal is 41 centimeter. So find the perimeter. So first of all we find the value of breadth, means here DC. So in right triangle BCD, here C is equal to 90 degree. So here diagonal means BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. Right? Pythagoras theorem. BD square means BD here given 41 का square, BC 40 square plus CD square is equal to a square of 41. 1681 is equal to a square of 40, 1600 plus CD square is equal to 1681 minus 1600 is equal to CD square. 1681 minus 1600 we get 81 is equal to CD square. So therefore CD is equal to square root 81 is equal to 9 centimeter. So find the perimeter of rectangle. So we know that perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So hence perimeter of rectangle by formula 2 into length plus breadth या basic define of perimeter sum of all sides. So here is the formula 2 into length here BC or plus breadth CD. Here 2 into 40 plus 9 is equal to 2 into 49 is equal to 98 centimeter. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 6. In question number 6, find the perimeter of a rhombus, the length of whose diagonals are 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. The properties of rhombus, all sides are equal, and very important second property, the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Means diagonals here AC and BC bisect, means OA is equal to OC or OD is equal to OB. At right angle means here angle AOB 90 degree, also angle AOD 90 degree, here also angle COD 90 degree, and BOC is equal to 90 degree. Remember this point always. Is it clear? We know that perimeter of rhombus is equal to 4 into side. So here find any one side. So take here in right triangle AOB. Here hypotenuse 90 degree सामने AB means AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square by Pythagoras theorem. AB not given. OA is equal to here 8 square, OB is equal to 15 square, AB square is equal to a square of 8 64, a square of 15 225. AB square is equal to 5 plus 4 9, 6 plus 2 8 2. Means therefore AB is equal to a square root 289 means 17 centimeter. A square of 289 17. Hence perimeter of rhombus four into side. Here side take here AB means 4 into 17 is equal to 68 centimeter. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 7. In question number 7, in the given figure, x is to y is equal to 2 is to 3 and angle ACD is equal to 130 degree. Find the values of x, y and z. So here ratio destroy here. Means here let x is to y is equal to 2 is to 3 means x is equal to 2t and y is equal to 3t. Is it clear? In triangle ABC, BC extended at a point of C. So here ACD is an exterior angle. So we know that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to its sums of opposite interior angles, means therefore angle ACD is equal to angle A plus B. इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल, ये तो साइड वाला एंगल है, अपोजिट इंटीरियर दो, हेयर रिमेनिंग टू एंगल्स ए एंड बी, तो एक्स एंड वाई, तो एंगल ए सी डी इज इक्वल टू एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी, देयर फोर एंगल ए सी डी गिवन 130 डिग्री, एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू गिवन वाई, एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू गिवन एक्स, ऑल्सो गिवन वैल्यू y is equal to 2, y is equal to also given value y is equal to 3t, x is equal to 2t, is equal to 130, 3t plus 2t 5t, that is t is equal to 130 upon 5, we get 5 6 are, we get 5 2 are 10 और 5 6 are 30, means t is equal to 26. So thus x is equal to 2t, means 2 into 26 is equal to 52 degree. Y is equal to 3t, means 3 into 26 is equal to 78 degree. Now we know that the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree, means x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree. Here x is equal to 52 plus 78 plus z is equal to 180 degree. So z is equal to 180 degree minus 78 plus 52, we get 130 degree, is equal to 180 minus 130, 50 degree. Hence x is equal to 52 degree, y is equal to 78 degree, and z is equal to 50 degree. This is your required answer. Is it clear? I hope you will complete exercise 15D with the help of this video. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.